Hello everyone. Today I'm taking you on another beautiful day here in Tabriz, at the famous Shahgoli Park, also known as Shahgoli. We're a bit away from the lake, on the upper side of the park, but you can still feel the joy and energy all around. Have you ever seen a place where people's happiness shines brighter than the sun? Welcome to Tabriz, a city where even the first day of school feels like a festival. Here in the historic Shahgoli Park, families sit on the stone steps, watching their children dance, laugh, and celebrate the start of a new school year. Turkish music fills the air, a soft breeze moves through the trees, and everywhere you look, there's life, joy, and color. This is Tabriz, the city that knows how to celebrate life. The weather is perfect, a gentle breeze is blowing, and people are simply enjoying the moment. And kindness, with warm-hearted people, deep culture, and a strong sense of tradition. It's a perfect mix of history, nature, and genuine hospitality. And today, we're going to enjoy the laughter of children, the sound of music, and the simple happiness of the people of Tabriz. Stay with me till the end of the video. Look at this beautiful scene. Children in colorful clothes, full of joy and excitement, dancing together. Hands in the air, laughter everywhere, and music filling the park. This isn't just a celebration. It's a symbol of new beginnings. A fresh start full of dreams, learning, and hope. Parents watch from the steps above, their smiles filled with pride and love. Every movement of their children means the world to them. Because these little moments are what life is all about. Here in Shahgoli Park, happiness isn't just a feeling, it's a culture. People in Tabriz know how to celebrate life, and that's what makes this city truly special. As you can see, the joy here never stops. The music keeps playing, and the children are still dancing with bright smiles. Some of them hold hands in a big circle, others take turns in the middle, spinning, laughing, and spreading happiness. Families sit on the stone steps, watching with warm smiles. Phones are up, everyone's trying to capture this beautiful moment. A father waves at his child, a mother records with excitement. Everything here is full of color. The children's clothes, the balloons, the flags, and the sunlight shining through the old trees. It's a perfect mix of music, laughter, and love for life. When you look at these moments, you can truly feel hope. In the eyes of the children, in the smiles of their parents, and in every hand raised for joy. This isn't just a back-to-school celebration. Every city has a story, every neighborhood a memory. And Tabriz, with its ancient trees, beautiful parks, and warm-hearted people, is a living example of culture, kindness, and tradition. In the heart of Tabriz, we see how much the people of Iran value family, joy, and their rich culture. Every child's smile, every proud glance of a parent, paints a piece of Iran's soul. A land where history, nature, culture, and music always warm your heart and put a smile on your face. As the music continues, children with small flags and colorful clothes, together with their families, keep the celebration alive. Their laughter mixes with birdsong and the gentle breeze, and you can feel life flowing, real and full of energy. Tabriz, a city that blends the old and the modern, and with its warm people, culture, and simple joys, becomes one of the most heartwarming cities in Iran.
Look at this, alongside the dancing and laughter, the children and parents are cheering for their city's football team, Tabriz. With raised hands, chants, and joyful songs, they're showing their energy and love for the team. This excitement, even during a back-to-school celebration, adds a feeling of city pride and unity. Music, children's laughter, and cheering all mixed together, making you feel that life in Tabriz is full of joy, energy, and love for the city. Here, people know how to celebrate happiness, family, and pride in their home all at once. Now, the children and families are joining in with a happy, upbeat Turkish song. The energetic singing mixes with the children's laughter, filling the entire park with joy. Some kids clap their hands, jump around, and dance along with their parents. Parents watch with excitement, and some capture these moments on their phones. This rhythm and energy lifts not only the children but the adults as well. From every corner of the park, you can hear laughter, singing, and happiness, showing that celebration and joy are truly part of daily life in Tabriz. And now, the host has taken the stage. With a bright smile and lively energy, he's making funny jokes to make the parents laugh. Laughter spreads all around, some are clapping, others are laughing out loud, and everyone is sharing this joyful moment together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends, so everyone around the world can see the beauty of Tabriz. A warm, historic, and lively city in Iran. I hope you enjoyed these pure and joyful moments. And remember, the world is always more beautiful with kindness and smiles. Until the next video, with love, goodbye.